Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and Donald Trump's attorney, Alina Habba. She is furious, and she just laid a smackdown on the judge in Trump's New York fraud trial, and it was beautiful. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. So after the trial, well, during the trial, he told Alina Habba to sit down. He reprimanded Trump. He was yelling at this one, yelling at that one. He has made no attempt to even pretend that any part of him is unbiased in this trial. None. After court, Alina Habba talked to reporters, and, well, she had plenty to say about this judge, about this case, and she laid a brutal smackdown. Let's take a look.
Coming from the judge who has already predetermined that my client committed fraud before we even walked into this courtroom. I'm not here to hear what he has to say. Then why exactly am I being paid as an attorney, and why exactly are taxpayer dollars being used in this courtroom? The answer is very clear. Because Miss James wants to stand right here like she did this morning and call my client a liar, call the company fraudulent, and make a name for herself. She said this morning that the numbers don't lie, and they won't lie in this case. Well, Miss James, I have a message for you. The numbers didn't lie when you ran for governor, and that's why you dropped out. And the numbers don't lie when President Trump runs for office in 2024. And those numbers are loud and clear. This country is falling apart. And if we don't stop corruption in courtrooms where attorneys are gagged, where attorneys are not allowed to say what they need to say to protect their clients' interests, it doesn't matter what your politics are. Everyone has a right in this country to get up and put a defense. I don't care who you are. You have a right to hire a lawyer who can put objections on the record. You have a right to hire a lawyer who can stand up and say something when they see something wrong. But I was told to sit down today. I was yelled at, and I've had a judge who is unhinged slamming a table. Let me be very clear. I don't tolerate that in my life. I'm not going to tolerate it here. And you know what? You shouldn't either. Because not every American citizen gets a camera and a microphone. And what I'm seeing is such a demise of American judicial system and democracy. Miss James came out this morning and said that she knew Mr. Trump, and she always calls him Mr. Trump because it kills her that he was the president. But the 45th president of this country, one of the best presidents we've had, has built a great company. It's worth a ton more than that statement of financial condition. And she doesn't know how to get out of it because her politics won't allow her. She calls him a bully. She says he's going to bring out racial slurs. He's going to say things today and taunt her. Well, Miss James, you taunted him. Before you came into office, before you saw one record, one statement of financial condition, you taunted him. You said his administration was too male and too pale. Those are her words. She said that she and Michael Cohen were going to be his biggest nightmare. Well, I have some news for you, Miss James. Michael Cohen folded, lied, and crumbled. Your star witness, along with all the DAs and corrupt AGs, need to be paying attention to what happens when you let...
This is a very good attorney. She's been in a lot of courtrooms. This judge is egregious in his response to Trump. He is over the edge. It's almost like he's in neophyte. Like it's the first time he's tried a case. But he's not. Now, I know he used to be a guitar player. I know he used to work in a band, and he used to work as a server and all these kind of things. And then he took this weird path into law and then became an elected judge. It's crazy, right? But he still acts like that guy. That liberal musician that just despises conservatives, particularly Trump. I think this whole thing's been a kangaroo court and a show trial, and I want to see the appeals on this because I think Trump's going to be victorious there. Folks, I want to know what you think about all of this. Please let me know in the comments. Also, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us out. I'm Carmine Sabia. This is Explain America. We love you guys. God bless you. Take care, everybody.